In this video, I will be showing you how to make a clothing tag in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking into the search bar on the Canva templates page and typing in clothing tag. I'll browse through the results until I find a style that fits my brand. I like this simple black and beige modern layout, so I'll click on it to see the preview. After checking out the print options and mockups, I'll click Customize this template to open the editor. Now that I'm in the editor, I'll use the zoom slider at the bottom to get a better view of the design. I'll start customizing by clicking on the main text and changing the brand name to your everyday use. Next, I'll click the subtext below it and update the name to Samantha. I'll also update the location at the bottom to Denver, Colorado. I've decided to add YNCDU on top of the brand name, so I'll type that in now. To give the text a different look, I'll open the spacing tool and increase the letter spacing until it stretches across the box. Now I need to create tags for different sizes. I'll click the duplicate icon at the top of the page to create a second tag. Then I'll change the XS to an S. I'll keep duplicating the page and updating the size label for each one, going from medium to large, then extra large. I'll finish up by creating tags for 2XL and 3XL. Now I have a full set of professional clothing tags ready for my entire size run.